Is your 2013-2016 Ford Fusion key fob not working? The most likely cause is a dead battery. Replacing it is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. You'll need a CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver, or plastic pry tool. First, locate the small notch or seam on the side of the key fob. Gently use your pry tool to separate the two halves, being careful not to scratch the plastic. Remove the old CR32 battery, noting the orientation. Positive side faces down towards the buttons. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing the same direction, ensuring it makes secure contact. Snap the two halves of the fob back together and test its functionality by locking and unlocking your vehicle. If the buttons don't respond after battery replacement, try reprogramming the fob by cycling the ignition 8 times. To prevent issues, inspect your fob annually and consider replacing the battery every 2 years. Avoid using metal tools to prevent scratches, and always ensure the battery is correctly oriented to maintain functionality. Also, be sure not to over-pry the fob and break the seal. While key fobs are still common for these models, consider that Ford is increasingly shifting towards digital keys via smartphone apps in newer vehicles. While this isn't an option for your 2013-2016 Fusion without aftermarket upgrades, be aware of this trend as the technology continues to evolve and potentially phase out physical key fobs in the future.